Okay, so this is why I don't get to work on time. Okay, so I got all of this that's holding me hostage, basically. All of this is keeping me hostage. Yeah, I wanted to test these markers out, the pink one specifically, but as you can see, I only did some swatches, and I wanted to try to blend with this marker. I wanted to try to blend these markers with this alcohol marker, but that was a fail. I don't even know what they're at 0. Okay, anyways, but these are just basic markers. These are watercolor brush markers, and these were working well with this Copic marker. I mean, not this Copic marker. I was using water to blend them, and they were coming out pretty good. Okay. Basically, let's see, where is it? Where did I do it? Oh, yes, this one. I did this. So they were blending pretty good. Don't mind her lips, but look at her nose. She has a pretty good nose, and the freckles came out pretty good. She was looking a little bit decent, but I messed up on the lips. That was my fault. I put too much water on them. But then I did that, and I was like, let me try a pink one. I mean, a purple one. I did this one before doing this one, but see? Looks good. So then I did that one. So then, I don't know why I thought that these would blend good with the alcohol marker, which I didn't even use yesterday for these. At one point, I'm sure I did try to blend them with this, but I'm sure it didn't work. But anyways, yeah. So then I, for some reason, thought again that I could blend these with the alcohol marker, and it didn't work. No, first I tried to blend these markers, which were the dots, the freckles, with this one, but it didn't work. So then I was like, okay, I'll add some of this, and then I'll blend it in like I was yesterday. Bro, yesterday I wasn't using this to blend. I had totally forgotten. I was using water and a brush. So then I am redoing it. Wish me luck. Okay, so here I go. Here is redoing the nose. What I like about these ones though is that you can't really tell, like, if you go over it again, it kind of dries like evenly. But it does bleed through, which I don't like. Okay, so I am so mad because now I have to leave to work, but let me do the dots. Let me try to do this quick. So I didn't even have to. Okay. Okay, so I should technically be at work right now. But I'm not. Oh, shoot. It's not working today. Oh, okay. I mean, not good. Oh, you know why? Because this is not the paper. Oh my god. Okay. I am kind of dumb. It had to be this paper. Okay, I'm just gonna go.